Yo, what's good, y'all? So today we're gonna be destroying a smoke detector because this one is expired. It was made 22 years ago. So yeah, obviously it can't be used again. So we're gonna destroy it. I am gonna put a battery in it though. So yeah, it does work. See? Real quick, this is what a dead battery does to a smoke detector. Bro. I swear to God, if this stupid thing still works. Oh wow, yeah, this thing got cooked. POV at 2 a.m. when your smoke detector starts chirping. Dang, wow. I'm pretty sure this is the speaker to it. Don't worry, we want a clean environment, so we're throwing away every bit of the trash that we've flung around. I am gonna keep this piece though. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. This was kind of fun. But see you guys next time. Bye.